everyone. So this is my project basically. This is the grid class and this is the GUI class. So in the grid class, we have created these some arrays. Those are the 2D arrays, one for bomb grid and one from ground grid, and all those variables are there. So I won't go too much deep into the grid class basically. Just these are the constructors, and let me just go real quick and explain the two methods, the main two methods that have been used here. So one was to create a bomb grid. A bomb grid would be created by using 25 bombs that was been delimited, and here the logic was really simple. I just made uh, all the cells of the 2D arrays, all are false at first, and then I generated some two numbers, one for row and one for column. Two random numbers has been generated, and after that those random numbers cells I made it true. So in that way the loop will go as long as the bomb count is less than number of bombs, which is 25 number, and it will generate altogether 25 bombs. So these are the, as you can see, these are some of the bombs that are showing here true, which are the bomb, and the false are not the bombs. And the next one is the create count grid, which is was about to do the addition of all the adjacent cells bomb number. So here the logic was again it was for all the cells I made 8 scenarios, because each cell can have maximum of 8 adjacent cells. So all these 8 scenarios has been checked, and there is a variable called count, and the count is getting increased, and with that the count grids array it has been created. So now let me go to the GUI class, and in my the GUI class, let me uh, run the program real quick. So as you can see, these are the grids of my GUI class. I will come back to here. Let me first explain some of the stuffs that I have been doing here. So here, I just created all these first some of the arrays that have been I needed. After that, these are the size for the window that I have here, the window size, and then these are the some of these other stuffs. And then here I just created a board, and in that board I do this designing thing, all those gray color stuff, the as the grids, as you can see. And some of the other functionalities that I have created here was whenever my mouse is in a particular grid, it will be red, as you can see here. After that, these are the some the design stuff. I will come back here again, and these are the some mouse movements. Whenever the mouse my movements gets the values of the x-axis and y-axis is given here. And after the clicking, all the things that have been doing here is being showed here. So these are the some of the here also when the click is done for the adjacent cells. We put it like this way for so just some random position has been provided here, so that those random positions value can be shown here. So let me just show you now right now. So as we can see, these are my grid, and this is the cheat sheet that I can say that the bomb grids cheat sheet. So here we can see this the first place doesn't have any bomb. So if we click this one, we can see the adjacent sum of the values that has been generated randomly is there. And again, if we click another one, the next one, we can see more other values has been there, as this is not a bomb. But if we click bomb one, the third one, as you can see here, so let me do this real quick. Then it will freeze for 5 seconds, as a thread is like used a thread for 5 seconds waiting, and then it will get the closed. So whenever I click a bomb, then this thing happens. So, and one more thing that I would like to show, that if we click all the cells that doesn't contain any bomb, then the game should have been on. So that logic is also done, or that logic is also provided in my application. But for that, let me increase the bomb number so that we don't have to uh, check click or make the video too long. So right now I am that just making the my bomb number 76, so that a lot of true we can see here. So let me run the program again. And for now, this time, as we can see, as I have just told, now that